Hello learners, I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start a new chapter, a beautiful chapter of political science, which is understanding marginalization. So before starting the chapter, it is very important to understand the meaning of marginalization. So marginalization basically means the act of treating someone or something as if they are not important. And what is socially marginalized? Socially marginalized means to be forced to occupy the sides and thus not to be at the center of the things, which simply means cornering a people or cornering a something on a side part, on a end parts. So let's try to understand this thing with the one story, that is a story of Adivasis, and let's try to understand how they face marginalization and how they are marginalized in the society. So let's begin with the story. An Adivasi family in Delhi, Soma and Helen are watching a Republic Day parade on a TV with their grandfather, and one of them said, "Oh, see, an Adivasi float. Dadu, why they always show Adivasi as only dancing?" And then other also said, "Yes, don't they know anything else about us?" And then Dadu replied, "The life of Adivasis are very rich. Most people don't know that." And Dadu further tell them that when I was young, our village in Odisha was beautiful. We got everything we need from the land and the forest around us, and we in turn respect the land, the forest and the river. And Dadu tell them that suddenly we were told that the forest was not our. Forest officials and contractor cut down the large part of it. If we protest, they beat us and then took us to court, where we did not have our lawyers and could not fight our case. And then one girl said, "Then how did you survive, Dadu?" Then Dadu said, "Many of us were forced to leave our homes and find seasonal work in nearby town." And then Dadu tell them that then company walas come. They said there was iron ore under our lands. They want to mine it, and they promised that they will provide jobs to us and money to us if they sold their land to those company walas. And some villagers are excited, but some are knowing that if they provide their land to those people, then they are going to destroy that land. And some of them give a thumbprint to those company wala, and not realizing that when they are giving that thumbprint, they have sold off that thing. Only few people has got that jobs, but most of us did not sell that. And then they beat and threatened us till eventually everyone was forced to sell and abundance the land of their forefathers. They sell off the land of their forefathers to those company walas. They had the support of the authority. Those company walas are having the support of the authorities, and Dadu is saying that our whole way of living vanished overnight. And then one girl said, "Oh Dadu, and our land what?" And then Dadu replied, "For our 30 acres, we got a little money from one contractor, I never saw most of my friends again. Then Dadu tell them that the money that they got for that land that hardly last in the city, and they had no means of livelihood anymore, and they crammed into a tiny rented room, and they missed their careful life and the open space that they are having in a forest. But then they are telling that after a few years your father got a job in Delhi and we all moved here. Those were very difficult time. That is why both of you did not go to school for several years. And then one of a girl is saying, I hate going school back. We had missed so much of our studies, and other children's made fun of us that because we spoke Santhali at home and did not know Hindi. And then the other girl is saying, but now we have friends. I can even spoke some English now. And then other is saying that I wish I could have shown my friends our village before it was destroyed. And then Dadu is saying, you can still tell them about our village. It has a lot to teach them. And then one girl is saying, other girl is saying that one day I'll make a movie on this story, our story, the Adivasi story. And in this story they are trying to tell you that how the Adivasi got marginalized. They are forced to live in the city, and now how they are facing marginalization, that those girls are not knowing English, and that's why they are not able to make friends, and they are not able to cope up easily with the life of city. And that's why they are marginalized, because they are different from the people who are living in a city. And we are keeping this video here. We are going to know more about who is Adivasi, how was the life of Adivasi in the next video. Thank you.